Hello guys, this is a video to help you with the Breakthrough Pre-Release 2022 by AQA, and the video ahead is by Zigzag. I hope it is helpful.
Breakthrough. So in Breakthrough, you're going to solve a number of locks, and each lock will consist of a number of challenges, normally between 1 and 3 challenges. And each challenge will have various elements to it, tools that you will need to play in order to solve that lock, or that challenge in order to ultimately solve that lock. So what we're going to do here is we're going to play a pick from Toolkit C to solve the first part of this second challenge. So you can solve the challenges in any order, but you can't be part way through the second challenge and then solve the first challenge and then go back to the second challenge. So the capital letter at the start represents the tool, a P for a pick, an F for a file, and a K for a key. And then the lowercase letter that appears second is the toolkit. There are 3 toolkits, A, B, and C. Your hand consists of 5 cards, and whenever you've played a card, then you will draw another card from the deck to complete your hand. So the hand's been topped up here. And as you can see, if you look at the second challenge, the next card required is a file from Toolkit C. So we're going to play that to the sequence now. And the cards in the hand will be shuffled up, and a new card will be drawn from the deck. We don't have a pick from Toolkit C, so we need to discard this time. So we're going to take one of the cards from our hand, and we're going to put that onto the discard pile. And now, of course, we're going to draw from the deck. This time, we've drawn something called a difficulty card from the deck. When you draw a difficulty card, you either need to discard a key from your hand, or you can choose to discard the top 5 cards from the deck, which is why we've turned the deck card over as an indication of that. So in this particular case, we're going to discard the key. There is actually a logic error in the skeleton code, such that if you discard keys further on in your hand, there can be a problem. However, if you happen to have a key in position 1, the logic error does not appear. So we're going to discard this key from Toolkit B in position 1. And now, of course, the hand shuffles up, and we deal 2 cards from the deck to complete our hand. And luckily enough, we've drawn a pick from Toolkit C, so we're going to play a pick from Toolkit C, and that has solved the challenge now. So you'll see that challenge, we're going to just turn it green for you, but you will see in the game that the words go to challenge met. And we've also got a key from Toolkit A. Because there's a pick on the end of the sequence and not a key, we're allowed to just play that key directly to the sequence. So we play the key to the sequence, and that solves the next challenge. And then that will be that lock completed. A new random lock will be drawn. Now, in terms of the score, each time you play a pick from your hand to the sequence, you receive 1 point. Each time you play a file, it's 2 points. And each time you play a key, it's 3 points. For each challenge that you solve, it's 5 points. And for each lock that you solve, it's 10 points. So looking overall at what we've got here for this lock that we've solved, how many points do you think it should be? So we've got 1 for the pick, plus 2 for the file is 3, plus 1 for the pick is 4, plus 3 for the key is 7. We've solved 2 challenges, which are worth 5 each, that's 17, and we've solved the lock. So that would be 27 points overall. Thank you very much for watching.